slay, slay, slay. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel.
Alright everybody, the first thing that I'm doing right now is creating a safe, healthy ball cap. And the reason why I say it's safe and healthy is because it's infused with vitamin E. And since I've been wearing it and since my clients have been wearing it and using it, and the reviews that I've been getting, it doesn't have my clients' edges coming out, falling out, leaving them dry, brittle, and very itchy underneath the install. This is a transparent lace frontal, and you can get one of these at hairbyerickaJ.com. And what I was spraying on it in the clip before this one is a medium brown lace tint, and you can purchase that from THEERICKAJ.com. The link will always be in the description box, and what I'm showing you is the color of makeup / foundation or concealer that I'm using. If you've been here since day one, you would know that I will always recommend that you use a makeup that's closest to the client's skin complexion or directly the client's skin complexion. But what I like to do now is go a little bit of a shade darker because it blends so much better, and you'll see the results towards the end of this video. And what I'm doing now is just taking some 91% alcohol and cleaning off my client's skin. If you skip that step, no matter what adhesive you're using, if you do not clean your client's skin off, it's not going to stick no matter what adhesive you use. And this tool that I'm going to be using throughout the video, this is going to smooth your adhesive out. This is going to create your baby hair, and this is also going to make your baby hair appear more natural. You'll see. And once you purchase my adhesive, yes, I said my adhesive, I finally have my own that you guys can go ahead and purchase. You will get a free tool, the black tool that I just showed you. You will get a free tool with your purchase automatically when you buy the adhesive. And the melting and laying down the lace process is pretty much the same no matter what adhesive you're using. Once the glue gets tacky and once the glue turns clear, it's okay for you to proceed to the next step and go ahead and lay the lace on down in. I'm going to be doing much more detailed videos with me using my adhesive and also doing removal videos. Please excuse Taz barking in the background. He has no respect for me when I'm filming. But anywho, you want to take a small fine tooth comb and go ahead and comb it in. Once you have done that, you're going to go around the ears and cut that excess lace off. I have my blow dryer on warm / heat. I get that question a lot. Which heat setting do I blow dry with when I'm melting the lace? It's going to always be a heat or warm setting. And I'm taking the eyebrow razor right now and just going around and cutting the excess lace off in the front. And you want to get as close to the hairline as you can, but don't get too close to the client's skin because you don't want to make a mistake and cut them, because that will not be a pretty sight. It's so easy to happen. So please be careful when you're doing this step, because it's so easy to cut the client, especially when you're using a brand new eyebrow razor. Please, please, please be careful. But I just want to get into this lace and just talk to you guys a little bit about the transparent lace. The transparent lace is very universal. It's something that all skin tones can use, whether you're light skin, medium, or dark skin. You can use this lace no matter what. The only thing that you must do if you're not a very light skin tone, what you want to do is you're always going to have to tint the lace, because without tinting the lace, there's going to be an ashy white line around your hairline, and that's something that's not cute, and that's something that you do not want. So you see how I use the lace tint and I put a little bit of makeup, and you see how well this lace is blended into her skin. Honey, get into it, please. And that hold me down adhesive is not going anywhere. I'm tugging on it. It's laid down. And now we're going to get into these baby hair. You want to go ahead and start to cut the baby hair short. The shorter you cut the baby hair, the more natural they will appear. The longer you cut them, the more unnatural they will appear. The longer they are, the more unrealistic. The thicker they are, the more unrealistic. So it's always up to you. It's always your preference. I'm just showing you what I do, what I like to go for. So, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and leave a comment towards the end of the video. Like I said, throughout this video, you're going to see me using this same exact tool, doing multiple things. This is something that you must have. And when you're laying your baby hair, you want to go ahead and spray a little bit of water around the hair, on the hairline. No, the lace is not going to lift up. As long as you followed my steps and done them correctly. Like I said, I'm going to be doing much more videos, going into details, step by step, because I know there's a lot of you who still just don't get it. But after you have laid your baby hair, you want to go ahead and take that head wrap and sit your client under the dryer. Let them dry until it's molded down completely. You'll feel it. It won't be wet anymore. And these are going to be the results that you want to go for. Very natural, laid down. You can move on to the next step now. By the way, this is the foam that I've been using throughout this video to create my baby hair. The one and only, the fluff stuff, created by Mwah. But what I'm doing right now is taking my C-Lux Silkening Serum and I'm just rubbing it on my client's hair. The frontal came from hair.IAmErickaJ.com. The bundles, I really don't know where they came from, but you want to take that silk serum and smooth it all on the front of the hairline. Then you want to go ahead and take your Frizz Bully wax stick and smooth it on there as well. Then you're going to get into the hot comb process. The silk serum and the Frizz Bully wax stick acts as a heat protectant. Also, besides heat protectant, it acts as a silkening product, which it is, and it's going to give you a very, very flawless look. It's going to be super silky looking and super laid. Just pay attention. The hot comb is always going to be your very best friend, no matter if you're doing a frontal, no matter if you're doing a natural hair install, no matter what, it's always going to be your BFF. Now I'm taking my C-Lux Silkening Mist and spraying it on my client's hair and taking my flat iron comb and my flat iron and going ahead and silking this baby bone straight. By the way, the link for these products will be in the description box. This flat iron comes from Ulta. It's only about $45. It's made by Conair and it's thebomb.com. And what I'm doing now is going ahead and cleaning up my client's part. As you can see, it's a little off. It's a little just, I don't really know what to call it, but it's just not the best. And what you want to do is take a eyebrow spoolie and go ahead and take this Beijing in a natural black. Take that same spoolie, rub it in, and go ahead and touch the part up as you see me doing. This tool that I'm using, you can purchase from your nearest beauty supply store. If you can't find this exact one, you're just going to have to get an eyebrow spoolie and then just get a separate angled brush. However, I got lucky and found this. It has a spoolie on one side and it has the angled brush on the other side. Once you finish touching up the roots with the Beijing and the natural black, you're going to flip it on the other side and take some Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to show you guys the color that you need to get to create it to make it look like a natural scalp and a natural part. Bam! Just that easy, just that simple. You can tell the difference. It's a complete different look. And now you're going to take the back of a comb, smooth it in, rub it in, push down, apply pressure, just to set it in and just so it won't look so obvious that it's makeup. What I'm doing now is taking the brush side of the 3-in-1 tool, and I'm just combing the baby hair out because I like my baby hair to appear natural and soft. The style is pretty much complete, and I thank you guys so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The products will be available for purchase. Please be quick because they do sell out pretty fast. And this new product, the adhesive, I hope you guys enjoy it, and see you guys next time.